Good afternoon. I'm Sanjay Kundu and I am Director General of Police Himachal Pradesh. I wish to congratulate Mr. Sandhu, who is the former Additional Advocate General of Punjab and a passionate photographer, for bringing out a beautiful coffee table book on nature of Punjab. I have read it. I found it very enjoyable. He's taken one more project, that is to promote Sangla. He's been to Sangla and he's photographed Sangla, videographed Sangla, and he's brought out a small booklet on Sangla. Now he proposes to bring a complete coffee table book on Sangla. I've also been to Sangla a couple of times. I find that valley extremely beautiful, and Mr. Sandhu calls it Switzerland of India. That is correct, because the valley is very beautiful, the hills are very beautiful, and the Baspa River, which comes from China into India, enters from Sangla and Chitkul. I wish him all the best in his endeavor, and I hope after he makes the coffee table book and prints it, a lot of new tourists will come and visit Sangla and see the beauty of this valley. Thank you once again.